Welcome to Jumbo Technical Company. The different types of things are made and the things are made by Aamanbhamza. Today I'm gonna show you part 2 of dry ice. Now your wait is over. We have brought part 2 of dry ice by doing a lot of experiments. In this video you will get to see many unique experiments. To do, watch the video till the end. If you haven't seen part 1 of this, the link available in the description. It was also very unique. You must to see it once. In this experiment we need a square box on which we have pasted aluminium foil. Let's start this video. We have already made space inside this square box and some objects will be installed inside this space as you can see in this video. We have completely created the space to fit the object as you can see in this video. Inside this project, we will be setting 3 objects externally. That's the only reason we have cut into this shape. Inside the larger round, we will place a beautiful transparent pipe in which we have set up the light. We will use blue and purple lights inside it, due to which it will be more beautiful. We have put small fan on top of the box. We are installing colorful lights inside the box. And now we will very carefully connect all the wires together. We attach the magnifying glass to the small round on the back of the box. This will increase its beauty even more. Yes, it is connected successfully. It is work as you can see in this video. If you live in India and you need dry ice, then you can go the link given in the description. You will get dry ice very easily. Now we're gonna to put dry ice in the small container kept inside the box. As you can see, it's working like a fog machine right now. As you can see, it's looking very beautiful as 2 color smoke is coming out of it. Looks like this. It looks like the fire is being produced very fast. It looks more beautiful from where we have put the magnifying glass. The power of the smoke is going down because we added less dry ice. Now we're gonna do experiment with the help of laser light as you can see in this video. We'll keep dry ice in this small container. As you can see, the dry ice is a not flammable substance. Now we're gonna experiment with the hydrogen peroxide as you can see in this video. This hydrogen peroxide has a very low concentration level. As you can see, it's reacting a bit. Now we're gonna put camphor or potassium permanganate as you can see in this video. It is a dangerous experiment, so do not do at home. When you put camphor inside it, the color of the smoke become a bit dark. Because H2O2 and camphor react with each other. As you can see, this solution become a purple. Inside the solution, we add the small amount camphor and H2O2. As you can see, it's react very fast. I think it's look very beautiful. Let's start the next experiment. In this experiment we need a formaldehyde. It is a 40% formalin. Formaldehyde, it is the organic polar compound. The color of formalin is colorless, but substance was kept inside for a long time, due to which its color become a pale yellow. This dry ice cannot react with formaldehyde. Let's try adding some more dry ice to it. There is slight reaction in this, but there is a very bad smell in here. The formaldehyde are used to preserve animal or plant species. This doesn't spoil those things for a very long time. This reaction is hot water and potassium permanganate. Looks very beautiful. Below is purple water and above white smoke, which is makes more beautiful. This solution of water potassium permanganate has no effect on the surface of dry ice, and the dry ice remains white as you can see in this video. Because the temperature of dry ice is very low and its solution at the room temperature, that's the only reason. It's called in a scientific language also Leiden-Forst effect. Let's start the next experiment. In this experiment we used of aluminium foil. We rolled aluminium foil into the cylindrical shape. Now we're gonna to put the dry ice as you can see in this video. Now inside this we're gonna pour hot water. See, it is looking very beautiful as you can see in this video. So friends, it's a part 2 of dry ice. If you learn something new in this video, so you can share with your friends and follow us on Instagram, and thanks for watching this video.